So hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at another very important concept called as string builder. It's really super important. Maybe while solving problems we will use it, but even if not, or we use it very less, it is super important that we must know it because it may be asked in interviews or it may be asked in Viva. So I think it is really very important to know, to understand, to learn the concept of string builder in Java. So uh, we should know what is string builder, why is it required, like what's the importance behind it. So if you have watched my previous videos on strings carefully, you might really understand these videos very well. But just in case if you have not, or you have missed something, or if you don't remember, I really suggest you to watch um, my previous videos on strings where I have explained about its time complexity, built-in string class, and everything. So let me explain you the string builder in my own way. Consider we are having a string or str which is initially empty, okay, which is initially empty, and then we are moving, let's suppose, from character a to character j and ch plus plus. Okay, so it should be character a and it should be character j. Perfect. And then ch plus plus, and then what we will do is str is equal to str plus ch. Now, okay, cool, we have written this. Now my main question is, for this particular segment of code, for this particular segment of code, what is the time complexity? So it should be order of n square and not order of n. This is where the major difference come, and this is the drawback of strings class. So the for loop itself has a time complexity of n, okay, but this str is equal to str plus ch. As we have discussed, strings are immutable. So if I'm trying to append a character to my original string, first it will create a whole new string with length plus 1, and then at the end it will append a character. Please remember, we have already discussed this in my previous videos. Okay, so time complexity in this case is order of n square. So if we are like doing like this, then this is the biggest drawback of strings class. Why? Because strings are immutable. So to overcome this drawback, okay, so to overcome this particular drawback, string builder class was introduced in Java. String builder class was introduced in Java to overcome this drawback. Okay, so string builder SB. So string builder is the name of class, SB is the object of string builder, is equal to new string builder, and inside this we can define an empty string. Okay, inside this we can define an empty string. And now if we do something like this, for char ch is equal to a, ch less than equal to character j, and then ch plus plus, and then sb dot append is the function we use, sb dot append ch, sb dot append ch. And at the end we need to s out, but then we cannot do directly s out sb, because sb is the object of string builder, and string builder and string are two separate classes, and inside system.out.println we need to pass a string. So there is another function called as sb dot toString. So toString converts string builder to string. Now, here is the beauty of string builder. This particular segment of code in which I am appending character A to J, time complexity is order of n, because this particular function, built-in function, that is append, has a time complexity of order of 1, and this toString also has a time complexity of order of 1. So what is toString? So toString is basically nothing, but it converts string builder to string. Okay, we cannot directly print like system.out.println sb. It will give an error because we can only print a string using system.out.println. So sb.toString is required to convert string builder to string, and this is the basic syntax of string builder, and this is how we use sb.append function to add anything to our existing string. So what is the main advantage of string builder? The main advantage of string builder is it now overcomes the drawback which we used to face in string class, So now the problems in string could be solved using normal string class or using string builder as well. So why string builder? So string builder has a better time complexity because it overcomes the drawback that strings are immutable in Java. So this particular here was taking the time complexity of order of n square, but now here when we are using string builder, now the time complexity is order of n, just the complexity for loop. And append, this built-in function append, has the time complexity of order of 1. So I hope this whole particular introductory part to string builder is quite clear. And now if we just try to print this, okay, so as you can see, we have formed this A B C D E F G H I J, but the improvement was in time complexity. So this might help you in solving some problems where you need to optimize time complexity. You can use string builder. So that's it in this video. I hope the concept was quite clear, and if you have doubt anywhere, please do ping me in the comment section. Thank you for watching till end. If you think I have made any significant contribution to your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.